Hey there, fishing buddies! Ready to up your fishing game with some high-tech helpers? Join us on a journey through the coolest fishing drones of 2024, where we'll discover the warmth of cutting-edge technology meeting your favorite pastime. I've done the heavy lifting for you and listed my top picks for the best fishing drones this year. From casting your line to finding the perfect fishing spot, these drones have got you covered. No more guessing games, just pure angler excitement. So, are you intrigued? Imagine having your own fishing sidekick, helping you reel in the big ones and creating unforgettable moments. We're all about making fishing more enjoyable, and these drones are here to prove it. Ready to gear up? Join our video, share your thoughts, and don't forget to check the description below for links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video. Let's get started our fishing game. Number 5. Chasing Dory. Here's my top pick for the best compact design and for those looking to capture the depths without breaking the bank. Check this out. This cool gadget is a pro at underwater pics, diving up to 49 feet with an HD camera that rocks 1080p shots. And the true color restoration thingy makes your photos and videos burst with vibrant colors no matter what travel-friendly alert. This palm-sized wonder weighs less than 2.5 pounds, making it the world's smallest underwater drone. Toss it in your backpack, and you're ready for an underwater adventure with its 1-hour battery life. Using this drone is a breeze. Plug, plunge, and play. Control it like a game with the Chasing Go 2 app, allowing you to explore the ocean floor with ease. Share the fun with dual play mode and use the app for quick sharing on social media. Your next pool party just got an upgrade. Hey, for the ultimate underwater adventure, this buddy links up to a floating Wi-Fi buoy, beaming live videos from 49 feet down. Perfect for diving, fishing, or cruising on a yacht. It's your top underwater sidekick. Number 4. Swell Pro FD1. It's my top choice for best fishing drone. It's the one I'd recommend for handling the wind and tackling challenges. Ever heard of sky trolling? Well, with this drone, you can do just that. No need to drive a boat. Troll your line to attract pelagic fish effortlessly. Plus, the optional Troll Safe Release device ensures your line is automatically released when you get a strike, making your fishing experience even more seamless. Worried about wind conditions? No problem. The Fisherman's new propulsion system and flight computer are tuned for maximum control responsiveness, allowing you to fly in winds up to Beaufort Force 7. The upgraded GPS and altimeter design provide precise position and altitude control, even in challenging magnetic fields. Say goodbye to pendulum motion when flying with a payload. The anti-pendulum feature controls acceleration and deceleration for a smoother experience. Number 3. Fifish V-Evo 4K 60 FPS. Hey, this one's my ultimate choice for best underwater photography. This drone is awesome for grabbing the beauty beneath the waves effortlessly. First things first, let's talk about that 4K 60 FPS high frame rate camera. The upgraded system ensures your shots are not just good but professional class, with enhanced smoothness for epic underwater moments. Now, what sets the V-Evo apart? Its hydrodynamic design minimizes resistance against ocean currents, allowing for longer dives. The 360-degree omnidirectional mobility takes your underwater exploration to new heights, letting you hover and hold postures like a pro. The AI Vision Lock feature keeps your subjects in focus with precision, adapting and automatically locking onto them in real time. And those 5,000 ultra-bright lumen LEDs. They optimize your vision across the deep sea, restoring vibrant colors even in dark and turbid environments. With a 166-degree ultra-wide lens, you're not just capturing scenes, you're discovering an extraordinary world below. Plus, the VR immersive control powered by the Fifish app and smart goggles adds a unique touch to your underwater experience. Number 2. Potensic Dreamer Pro 4K. It's my top pick for the best reliable drone with some impressive features. First up, let's talk about that 3-axis gimbal with a 4K camera. This combo allows you to capture 16-megapixel photos and shoot 4K and 30 frames per second videos. The gimbal ensures steady aerial shots, making your filming experience smooth and precise. Multifunctionality is where this drone shines. With features like Follow Me, DIY Circle Flight, Waypoint Flight, and more, you're in for an intuitive flying experience. DIY Circle Flight lets you set the drone's circle direction, speed, and radius for a customized touch. The 2-kilometer transmission range, thanks to Qualcomm technology, opens up endless possibilities. You can connect your phone to the remote control via USB for a reliable control experience. The drone's Power AC dynamic system ensures quick responses and performance, even in emergencies. Equipped with a big-sized aluminum carrying case and useful accessories, the Dreamer Pro ensures you have everything you need for your drone adventures. Number 1. DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly. Here's my top pick for the best overall. It's an excellent choice for beginners looking for power and portability. This camera drone packs a punch with a 48-megapixel camera and a 3-axis gimbal that shoots impressive 4K and 60 frames per second videos. The HDR video quality is enhanced by a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor, ensuring stunning results every time. With an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes, you can capture epic shots effortlessly. The Mavic Air 2's 3-direction obstacle sensing adds extra convenience for beginners and boosts overall safety. Intelligent tracking features like Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 3.0, and POI 3.0 make aerial photography a breeze, keeping your subjects in focus while you fly freely. Plus, the DJI Fly app compatibility makes controlling the drone a seamless experience. In the package, you'll find everything you need for your drone adventures, from batteries to low-noise propellers and ND filters. Alright, fellow anglers, that wraps up our chat about the best fishing drones for 2024. Now, before you head out to snag your tech-savvy fishing companion, make sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices, because who doesn't love a good deal, right? If you found our video helpful and got some valuable insights, give us a thumbs up. And hey, don't keep the knowledge to yourself. Share this with your fellow anglers. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon too, so you're the first to know about all the latest content, tips, and reviews. Until next time, tight lines and happy fishing.